Tika Loves Fashion coming to you at a fashion brunch. How about that? So we are at the Monroe rooftop, and it's all about fashion brunch, and it is the Emerge magazine premiere. I was reading the card here. So we're gonna have some guest speakers talking about fashion, so you guys know I had to come and attend. I'm going to be showing you just a few things. You probably just hear some music in the background as I pan around, but it's early. Not a lot of people are here yet, so people are just walking in and you know, saying hello to everyone. And as of right now, I'm just hanging out, chilling. I do have VIP tickets, so just hanging out right now. I don't know, but guess I'll get some brunch at some point. But right now, I'm just trying to see the scene. You know how you go somewhere, you just want to see the scene. So that's what I'm doing. And just waiting for more people to get here so I can, you know, ask them as time goes on, you know, how they feel about fashion maybe, and how they feel about this brunch. Because I see some people with some nice outfits on. Hopefully I'll be able to show you what everything that I have on in a few minutes. Have on a suit, so for this fashion brunch, it is dressed to impress. So a lot of people here put on their best, and you guys know me, I'm always into hanging out and seeing what people are doing. I was gonna see if I could show you guys something right now, but not yet. Nobody's really doing anything right now. It's just kind of just starting. Everything is just only like a couple of people right now. So I'll be back with you guys in a few minutes. But I'm excited. You guys see that I have on my shades because it is sunny out here, baby. Okay? Alright. Hey guys, I have someone for you guys to meet. Her name is Tori. So let's meet her at this fashion brunch.
All right.
Hi Tori.
How you doing?
So just tell everyone what you do.
Okay. All right, not a problem. I'm Tori, and I have a fashion blog, ToriJJones.com.
I love it.
Thank you, thank you. I'm a fashion marketing teacher and a fashion stylist. So I'm just enjoying myself today here at the fashion brunch. We were talking earlier, it's 1,000 degrees today.
Yes.
We were all not prepared.
For the fall, yes.
But it's okay. I mean, it is October.
Yes.
But we thought it was still...
For where we live at.
Right.
Yeah.
This is normal, but I don't know how we all forgot. So.
Yeah.
But anyway, no, it's good. I love being around anything fashion, people. So yeah, it's a great Sunday. We had a brunch and learned some things, and now we're almost getting ready to go because we're all dying.
Yes.
No, we had a great time. Yeah. So
But
it's always a pleasure to see you.
But I love your outfit.
Thank you. I don't have my full look, but we had a fashion emergency that I had to help out with, but it's all good.
It's
all
a
good.
look.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Hey guys, I have met Ursula from Chloe's Boutique. If you guys follow me, especially on IG, you would know that I do model for that boutique as well. And so Ursula's at this fashion brunch, so we're all getting ready to go soon, but I just wanted to introduce Ursula. Hey Ursula.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well, just getting ready for our upcoming fashion show. Our website is coming along pretty well. If you go to Chloe's Boutique, va.com, that's where you can see all our fashionable looks, We have you for your vacations, your holidays coming up, and a night out on the town. So stop on in. We're over in Virginia Beach. We're at 4020 Bunny Road, Suite 103, and the boutique is called Chloe's Boutique. Hope to see you there.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I'm going to show you guys. Oh, this is a nice outfit this gentleman has on.
Yeah, somebody got
Yes.
Might as well be.
Yes. And this is how the
That's you see?
yes. This is how
I'm gonna head on my side.
Hello, I am Deshayna Kemp Garnett. I am the COO of Emerge the Magazine. We started out back in 2015 and we are a resource, a lifestyle resource for small business owners and entrepreneurs. Our magazine showcases business owners at various stages, how they started their journey, what resources they use, and they really serve as mentors and a resource for other business owners as well. So if you have questions, you want to check us out, it's emergethemagazine.com.
All right, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
And I really love the brunch, the event, and yeah, I'm looking forward, to you guys doing more things.
Thank you so much for coming. We plan on doing this again next year in September though.
Okay, look,
Yes.
I'm here. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Yep.
Okay, and now we have Marquita.
Hello,
I'm loving
fashionistas.
this dress.
Thank you. So had to dig in the closets, all vintage. Steve Madden for over 15 years ago. And
Wow.
they're still in impeccable shape.
Yes, they're beautiful.
Thank you. When you take care of all of your things, then they're always going to be like new.
Yes.
So my name is Marquita Bianca. I'm a fashion editor for the Runway Authority. Also a local blogger here in the Virginia Beach area. I love my home. You can find me at marquitabianca.com or therunwayauthority.com.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I love your style. Hey, guys, and I love her hair.
Oh,
Okay.
has a mind of her own.
I gotta get my curls back.
Come on,
soon.
girlfriend.
Yeah, as soon as
Girlfriend.
I finish with this fashion show that's requiring
on.
this
Run the water through
Yes.
it. Just, it's, you know what, God made us this way, and I thought it was going to be the hardest life, and I find it's easier than whatever I was doing before. And I'm just like, you know what? I don't even have the want to even straighten it at this point. It's just too good. It's too easy.
Yeah, and I cannot stand. The heat, the humidity, it just does not
You straighten
go.
it to put it on rollers to curl.
Yes, and that's me. 20 flexi rods.
It. Yeah. When we have it naturally curly in our head, just add water.
Yes.
It's like mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Just add water.
Oh, but thank you, and I look forward to, like always, seeing what you're gonna do next, and also where you're gonna be, because I do follow you. So where you're gonna be
Oh,
and things
yes,
like that.
and I see you on my Instagram all the time.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, absolutely. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Mwah, mwah. Thank you. Yes, hello, Patricia.
Hello.
Why you so loving it? Oh, I love those shoes.
Oh, thanks, Jessica Simpson, honey. Very, very, very comfortable.
Yeah, I love it.
This actually was not my original outfit, so a little small story. I had on a jumper and I just did not know what the weather was going to give.
Yeah.
And I started sweating. And so my style sister had this on as a jacket with her suit, and we had to switch.
Yeah,
out.
see how
And it
see how
worked
you
out
do.
anyway. You know.
See how you do as a stylist. Yes.
We had to go in there real quick, but that's what I do. My name is Patricia, always a lady. I am a fashion stylist. I'm a fashion image consultant, a fashion and style expert. I help individuals find their style. I help individuals find their way when it comes to their wardrobe. As we know, your wardrobe and your style can somewhat make you anxious, make you just like, you know what, I'm just gonna wear what I can wear. If it works, it works. And it doesn't have to be like that. Me as a professional, I can help you with different tips, different ways to get yourself together, learn your style, learn your budget, learn what you need for your lifestyle, and you can all do it without feeling anxious. So basically, I just help you become a better version of yourself through fashion and style.
And I love it. And tell them you also have a book, right?
Oh yes, so I do have a book called The Words of Wisdom for the Heart and Soul. It is a motivational book with me and 36 other women who give you amazing motivation through quotes and sayings and just our life
period. You know how you can go to someone and you can just talk to them about something and they give you great advice? Imagine getting great advice from 36 women from 36 different walks of life.
Yes.
You're going to find something in there that's
Definitely.
going to motivate you, inspire you. So we have the book, we have the journal. You can find that on my website at patriciaalwaysalady.com. I have another book coming out called The Art of Forgiveness. This is a little bit more deeper story on what I've been through, how I got to where I'm at, the things that I've conquered, being a single mom, a teenage mom, and just forgiving myself for those things that I thought, that I did wrong when I'm just trying to navigate through life. So that is me. You can find me on all social media at Patricia Always a Lady.
All right, thank you so much.
No, thank you, beautiful.
Mwah.
All right, guys, that concludes for right now this Vlogtober. I decided to get in on the Vlogtober, and why not start it off with a brunch, right? But the brunch was nice. Emerge magazine, everyone was nice. I was excited, to meet everyone from an actual magazine. And the brunch is over. Food was great, and I'm out. Bye, friends.